Hi, I'm Michael Gregory, host and creator of Virtual Science Camps, and I'm inviting you to spend a museum staycation with my new virtual museum pass. I've got a lot of exciting visits lined up over the next week in Paris and around the world. Starting off on Saturday, I'll take you on a science walk through the streets of the city I love, exploring some history, science, and metric system, maybe even peeking through the walls into a zoo. On Tuesday, we'll be going to CERN in Geneva, Switzerland to see the Atlas detector, the world's largest particle detector ever built. On Thursday, we'll also be going to CERN to see the antiproton decelerator in the antimatter factory, the only place in the universe where we've confirmed the existence of antimatter. Friday, we'll finish off the week with a bang in my homeland of Canada, in Ottawa, at the Canada Agriculture and Food Museum with my friend Rene Claude. You might remember as one of our favorite guest hosts from spring sessions, including one on dairy science, magnification, and our Earth Day celebrations. I'm looking forward to some of these visits, and I hope to see you along. In the meantime, stay curious.